Hey, and welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. If you're new here, this is going to be a brand new kind of introduction to the Silly Kitchen, but if you have been with me for a little while, this is a bit of an update and celebration. I also have a really cool little recipe at the end, so stay tuned for that if you want to see something delicious and cheesy that I created. So, what I want to tell you about. The Silly Kitchen has been around for about 1.5 years, and I've obviously been working really hard on creating recipes and fun and entertaining content for you guys to watch. I've also wanted to, work on getting my subscribers up and getting my hours up. And over the last 1.5 years, I know the world has experienced a lot of stress. And it has been really, really tough for so many out there. And I have to say that for me, when everything kind of started changing with the pandemic, the Silly Kitchen was therapy and something to do and a purpose to get up every day and create and do this. And I was so thankful that I started this channel not knowing that that was gonna happen. And for you to come along with me and watch and comment and celebrate has been just such a joy. So thank you first and foremost. What I am celebrating today is a few things with the Silly Kitchen brand. The first thing is that the Silly Kitchen is officially monetized. So thank you for everyone who has been watching. I'm so excited. This is so cool. This is definitely something that I've been working toward. The other thing that I really want to introduce you to is thesillykitchen.com. My brand new website is live. My recipes are there, some amazing content that I'm going to keep creating and putting, and as well, you can shop the Silly Kitchen. I have my mapled bacon candle, which you may have seen already. It is ready, available to ship to you, and there are many more items coming soon. Have a look. The link is in the description below. Please let me know what your thoughts are. Come say hi. I'm so excited to share that with you. Now, for the recipe that I promised at the beginning of the video. Obviously, I have something to celebrate, and I have celebrated milestones before. Most recently with shots of tequila. I think before that there may have been some champagne popping and dancing. And today, because this is such a big day for me, I've decided that I need a cake to celebrate this. But y'all know I don't do a lot of baking. So instead, I want to present to you my very own cheesecake. Guys, this is a cake made out of cheese. It is savory, it is not sweet, it is my favorite food in the whole world, and I'm gonna show you right now exactly how I made it. gonna dive into my cheesecake. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being along on this journey with me. I could not have done it without you. Literally, I could not have done it without you. And I promise you continued content, silly times in the kitchen, and much, much more. Till next time.